I'm Brittany with WTI, and I want to show you this awesome, wide, cozy office chair.
This is the Big Tall Ergonomic Office Chair by Furnistyle. And though my husband is not a big man, this was the chair he needed. It was very easy to put together, and I was blown away at how sturdy every piece of plastic and metal that this was made of. It fit so well together, was so easy to set it up. You can adjust the height of the chair, the lumbar support of the back, which is great because it is such a big chair. The armrests can be adjusted to how wide they are, and also the height of the armrests are adjustable, which is perfect for my husband because he uses his mouse a lot and can put a lot of strain on his arms. The back can recline way back, and if you don't want that feature, you can lock it and it stays in place. My husband appreciated this because even though he's not a big guy, he's got very wide shoulders and very often has a hard time being able to stretch out. So it was very difficult to find a chair that gave him the versatility and the width that he needed to really give his body everything that he needed. The cushions were so thick for the arms, for the seat. Not only is it so awesome and wonderful, but it is so beautiful. It looks so great in our apartment. It matches all of our gray tones. It fits perfectly.
This made a real big difference for my husband to be able to be comfortable while he got all his work done for the day. And that's my point of view.